Let's eat. Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today I'm going to be making a Nashville style hot chicken salad meal kit from Publix grocery store. So if you're feeling hot and spicy, then stick around for this video. So let's get started with unboxing this yummy meal kit. Publix has so many different types of meal kit flavors, and they have pork and chicken and all types of different meal kits. I know I've made a harissa chicken one a little bit ago on my channel. Be sure to check that out as well. So this is the nutrition facts of this meal kit, and this meal kit is basically designed for 2 people, but you can stretch it for 3 or 4. So let's get ready to see what we have in this yummy box. We have a lemon, we have our chopped up chicken, we have our hot barbecue sauce, we have some ranch, we have some carrots, and let's see what else. We have some roasted corn, we have some red peppers, we have some spinach, and we have all the directions on how to make this yummy dish. That's what I love. You get all the things that you need for this dish, and you get directions on how to make it. Right, so I already prepared my chicken to be safe and healthy, and I patted my chicken dry with a paper towel. Now I'm going to season it with some salt and some pepper. Go ahead and mix all those yummy flavors together. I did end up adding on some onion powder and garlic powder, so feel free to add whatever you like. Alrighty, now I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to let that heat up a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and start adding in our chicken. Now, I like my chicken to be done, so sometimes I might leave my chicken in just a little too long, but not too long. I wish you guys could hear the sizzle of this chicken, but I was playing some music in the background. I was jamming while I was cooking. So we're going to go ahead and cook this chicken on both sides until they are nice and lightly browned and cooked all the way through. All right, these chicken pieces are looking good, almost done. While the chicken is cooking, we're going to go ahead and prepare our salad. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started with putting in our spinach. We're going to go ahead and put in our red peppers. I love a red pepper salad. Next up, we're going to add in our carrots. And now we're going to go ahead and chop up our lemon into like 4 cubes. Back to our chicken. Our chicken is done, and I'm going to go ahead and put on our hot barbecue sauce. Make sure you mix up your chicken with your hot barbecue sauce so that every piece of chicken can be evenly coated with that yummy goodness. Be sure to put your pan on low to medium heat so that your chicken and your sauce can heat up. This looks yummy and it smells delicious, y'all. Alright, now we're going to take our chicken out of our pan and we're going to add in our corn so we can roast that just for a few minutes. All right, back to our salad. We're going to go ahead and toss up our ingredients, and then next we're going to go ahead and start adding in our chicken. Now, there were a little bit more pieces of chicken, but I did not cook all of the chicken. I just put a little bit to the side. So don't be alarmed. There is enough chicken for this salad for two. All right, time for that roasted corn. This is a cool salad. Like, it's a balance of cool and it's a balance of hot. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and toss up this salad, get all these yummy flavors together. All right, now for our ranch dressing. Now, if you don't like ranch, feel free to substitute for a different flavor of dressing. But if you want the full effect of this meal, then just be sure to use the ranch and tell me how you like it. All right, now for that lemon rain. Go ahead and squeeze on about 3 to all of your lemon wedges onto your salad. And then we're going to go ahead and toss up everything to get that lemon flavor blended well together. This salad was so delicious, you guys. The flavors all together were yummy, and it was so easy to make and quick. So if you need a quick dinner idea, then head over to Publix and grab you a meal kit and tell me what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit all notifications, and stay connected with me for more yummy videos. Bye.